All right. Today we're going to work on lesson 8-2, so we're getting into slightly bigger numbers now, but still using tens and ones. So we're going to start on page 455, and on the top of the page it asks, is 2 tens the same as 20? How do you know? So I connected 10 red cubes together and then 10 green cubes together. So this would be 2 tens, and we want to know if it's the same as 20. So I'm going to go ahead and count how many individual cubes I had to put together. So please count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So is 2 tens the same as 20? Yes, it is. So 2 tens, this group of 10 and this group of 10, equals 20. All right, let's turn to page 456. And at the top it says you can use 10 cubes to make 1 10. So here's the 10 cubes, and then you stick them all together and you end up with 10. Here are 4 tens. I can count 1 10, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, and there are 0 ones. We don't have anything extra. Count by tens to find the number of cubes. So here we have 10, 20, 30, 40. So there are 40 cubes in all. So 4 tens and 0 ones, we don't have anything left over here, is 40. So now it says count by tens, write the numbers. So we have 1, 2, 3 tens and 0 ones, nothing hanging off there. So we have 10, 20, 30. So that 3 tens and 0 ones is 30. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tens and 0 ones. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So 5 tens and 0 ones is 50. All right, now we're on page 457, and this time they want us to draw the cubes. Well, I'm not going to ask you to draw all these individual cubes. Instead of drawing these long cubes of sticks, let's draw a straight line that will count as tens. So we want 6 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 6 tens and 0 ones is 60. Now they want 90, so we're going to count by tens until we get to 90. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. How many did we draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 tens, 0 ones is 90. All right, try 5 and 6 on your own, and then we'll check it together. All right, so hopefully you did these on your own. Here we have 8 tens, so we're going to draw 8 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to count now by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So 8 tens and 0 ones is 80. Now they want us to get to 70, so we're going to count by tens till we get to 70. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. How many did we have to draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we drew 7 tens, 0 ones is 70. Number 7. Joey has 2 tens. He wants to trade the tens for ones. How many ones should Joey get? So if I gave you my 2 tens and I said, I want ones back, and you pulled all these apart, how many would I get? 10, 20. I'd end up with 20 individual little blocks instead of 2 tens. All right, on the back. There are 2 buses. 10 people are on each bus. How many people ride in the buses? Count by tens. Here we have 10 and another one, 10, 20. So we have 20 people riding the buses. George has 3 boxes of pens. 10 pens are in each box. How many pens does George have? So 3 boxes, 10 in each box. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30. So he has 30 pens. Number 10, Brian has a book. He reads 10 pages every day. Show how many pages Brian reads in 5 days. Use pictures, numbers, or words. Well, I'm going to use the little 10 stick to show my 10 pages. So for every stick I draw, it's going to be like 10 pages. So he reads for 5 days. 1 day, 2, 3, 4, 5 days, and each one is 10. So here we have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So he reads 50 pages in 5 days. Number 11, Beth has 4 jars. Each jar has 10 bouncy balls in it. How many bouncy balls does Beth have in all? Well, there's 1 jar, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to draw the 4 jars. Not beautifully, but just so we have 4. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40. So she has 40 balls in all. All right, it is time for you to do the homework page 459 and 460. When you're done, turn the video back on and we will check your answers. All right, hopefully you have done the work now on these pages. And all we're doing is working on counting by tens. So here we have tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 of the purple. The brown, we have 7 of them, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So we have 70 little cubes put together there. All right, number 1 says count to find how many tens. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 tens. We don't have anything extra, so let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. So we have 80. Now, I guess they wanted me to count by tens here, so I guess I should say on this one, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I had 9 tens and 0 ones to get me to 90. All right, on the back, draw the cubes for the counting below. Then write the total. So we had 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. How many did we draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We had 7 tens. Here we had 10, 20, 30. How many tens was that? 1, 2, 3. Here we go all the way up to 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 tens for that one. Number 6. May has 5 bags. Each bag has 10 marbles in it. There are no marbles outside the bags. How many marbles does May have in all? Draw a picture to show. So she has 5 bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She has 10 marbles in each one. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. So we're going to count by tens. Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. May has 50 marbles. Number 7, Jerry buys a notebook that has 90 pages. Which of the following can represent 90 pages? 6 tens? Does that match? No, that has 9 tens, so that doesn't work. How about 7 tens? No, we need 9 tens. How about 8 tens? No, we need 9 tens. How about 9 tens and 0 ones? Yes. We've got a 9 in the tens place. We have to have 9 tens. All right, please take a picture of your work and send it to your teacher and have a great afternoon.